How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a circuit training workout for beginners at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys a few exercises that you can do for your circuit training. Now, this workout that I'm showing you guys, I have gave it to a few of my clients and it is pretty killer. What I recommend doing is starting off only doing 40 seconds for each exercise. When you're doing the exercises, you're doing them back to back with zero rest period. You don't stop when you're done an exercise. So you'll do the first exercise 40 seconds. When the 40 seconds is up, you go straight to the second exercise for 40 seconds. You do that until you're done all 4 exercises. You do this 3 times. As you keep doing the workout, I recommend doing it 2 to 3 times a week. After you have finished that, the next week you add 10 seconds to each exercise, and then you just keep adding 10 seconds. This gets extremely hard after you start adding some time, you guys. And I know this personally because I've had beginners do this and it's crazy hard. So the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to show you guys all the exercises and then you guys can try them at home. So the first exercise that you're going to be doing is crab walks. To do crab walks, what you're going to do is you're going to get in a crab position. So you kind of look like a crab. So this is a crab walk. You kind of look like a crab, and all you do is you move with your legs and your arms like so. So again, this is a crab walk. I'm just doing this because I really don't have that much room to show you, and you just keep walking like that. So that is the crab walk. You're going to do that for 40 seconds. If you have a big area, it's good to walk around or to crab walk around the whole area. After that 40 seconds, you're going to go straight into doing body weight squats, you guys. So you're going to do that for 40 seconds. You're going to do body weight squats 40 seconds, you guys. So crab walk, body weight squats for 40 seconds. Make sure you get nice range of motion. Try to hit at least parallel with your squats, and make sure that your back is neutral. It's not rounded at all. So do that 40 seconds. After that, you're going to jump rope in place. So you're going to jump rope like this for 40 seconds, you guys. Once you are done that, you are going to get into a push-up position like so. You're not going to do a push-up at all. You're not going to do anything. All you're going to do is hold the push-up position for 40 seconds, you guys. And that is the workout. Now, some of you may be thinking, it's pretty easy. I have had people do this workout and they're destroyed at the end of it. So do the full 40 seconds. Comment below. Let me know how it is. And yeah, end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.